Welcome to LMI's guide on how to maintain your Weighbridge and/or group axle pads. This guide will cover the basics such as how debris can accumulate, the importance of regular maintenance, and how to identify maintenance risks and conducting inspections. Weighbridges are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions and heavy loads. However, like any precision weighing equipment, they require regular maintenance to ensure reliable performance. Over time, wind can blow dirt, sand, leaves, and other debris into gaps and crevices around the weighbridge. Small rocks and pebbles may also become lodged between the deck and ramps. When exposed to rain, this material can compact and harden, gradually building up around the structure. In addition, weighbridges that are used seasonally or infrequently may provide shelter for rodents, insects, and other small animals. These pests can damage wiring and load cell cables, leading to costly repairs and operational disruptions. The accumulation of debris can interfere with the free movement of the weighbridge deck, causing it to rest against surrounding material instead of being fully supported by the load cells. Similarly, damaged cables can affect the transmission of weight signals. Both situations can result in inaccurate weight readings, and in severe cases, may lead to equipment failure or system downtime. So, to prevent debris buildup, equipment damage, and weighing inaccuracies, it's recommended to perform inspections on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. The frequency might vary depending on the operating environment and how often the weighbridge is used. Daily checks are pretty straightforward and should be carried out before any weighing operations begin. First, walk around the weighbridge or axle pads and check for a few things. Make sure there's no debris stuck in the gaps between the weighbridge deck and the surrounding ground. Verify that the weighbridge deck can move freely. A properly functioning deck should have just a bit of movement and shouldn't feel seized or restricted. Next, check all visible cables for any signs of damage, like cuts, wear, or evidence of rodent activity. Clean the deck surface with a broom or compressed air to get rid of dirt and loose debris. Pressure washers aren't recommended, since high-pressure water can actually damage load cells, connectors, and cabling. Weekly checks include everything from the daily inspections, but with an extra step, an internal inspection. Go ahead and open the inspection covers and take a look inside the weighbridge for any dirt, sand, stones, leaves, or other debris. Keep an eye out for signs of water accumulation and check for any damage to cables, connectors, or load cells. Look for evidence of rodents, insects, or other animals nesting inside the structure. Remove any debris using a broom or compressed air, making sure all components stay clean and unobstructed. Regular weekly inspections are really important to help keep the weighbridge in optimal condition and ready for calibration whenever it's needed. Monthly performance check. As a best practice, weighbridge owners should perform a front-middle-back test at least once per month. This test is applicable to weighbridges and helps identify potential mechanical or load cell issues before they affect operations. How to perform the test? First, use a forklift or other vehicle with a known and verified weight. Next, position the vehicle on the front section of the weighbridge and record the weight. Then, move the vehicle to the center of the weighbridge and record the weight again. After that, repeat the process on the rear section of the weighbridge. Now, compare all three weight readings. The readings should remain reasonably consistent across all positions. As a general guideline, a variation of up to 100 kilograms is considered acceptable for most applications. If the variation exceeds this range, inspect the weighbridge for debris-restricting deck movement. Check all cabling and connectors for damage. Inspect the load cells and mounting hardware for signs of wear or damage. Also, verify that the weighbridge deck can move freely. If no obvious cause can be identified, contact LMI for technical assistance. By incorporating these simple inspections into your maintenance routine, you can improve weighing accuracy, reduce downtime, and significantly extend the service life of your weighbridge. For any additional information, please visit our website or contact our offices. Details in the description below.